Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on PandaBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in and returning back to the homepage, click on your account icon once again, and then click on User Center. Now, once you are inside the User Center page, just click on Account, and then click on Account Safety. Once you click on this, you will see the Close Account button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on this, and you will be asked a reason for closing your account. Just click on any reason that you wish to provide, and then click on the Confirm button. Once you click on Confirm, you might need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address to verify your identity. So just enter this code by checking in within your inbox. And once you verify with this code, you will be logged out from your PandaBuy account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Just make sure not to log back in for at least 3 weeks and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on PandaBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.